Pyramid is a piece of software designed to aid you in learning to play different subdivision rates between 1 note per beat and 32 notes per beat. Set the tempo on the left using the up and down arrow keys or just by typing it in. Choose how many beats you want to maintain each rate for. Let's choose 2. On the right, this will indicate which beat of those 2 beats we're on. For now, we will leave the click rate as 1. We will set the minimum rate to 4 and the maximum rate to 9. This display will show us the click rate versus the current rate that we're on. Down here we will see the click count versus the count of the rate that we're on. So hit space to play. Up here you see the beat count, so we're now on beat 2 of 2, beat 1 of 2, and every time it goes back to beat 1, the current rate increases. So now we're on 8 notes per beat, and then 9 notes per beat, and that's the maximum that we set. So now it starts to go back down to 8 for 2 beats, and then 7 for 2 beats, and it will go back down to 4, and then it will go up again. You can choose a minimum and maximum rate between 1 and 32 notes. So to give you an example of some of the faster ones, let's go between 15 and 19, and we will maintain each of those rates for just 1 beat. Space to play. So now it just plays each rate for 1 beat. It gets to 19 and then it will go back down again. You can change the sound of the click and of the count using these number boxes here. Just click and then use the up and down arrow keys to choose a sound that you like. Let's have a low tom, and for the count we'll have a high tom. Let's say you want to hear what 3 against 3 sounds like, 3 against 4, 3 against 5, 3 against 6, etc. Change the click rate to 3, choose a minimum rate of 3 and a maximum rate of whatever you want. Let's choose 7, and we'll stay on each rate for 1 beat. Now we have 3 against 3, and then 3 against 4, then 3 against 5, 3 against 6, 3 against 7, and then back down because we set 7 as the maximum rate. If you wanted to work on just a particular polyrhythm, then set that rate between the click and the minimum rate. So let's say we wanted to do 4 against 5, we'll choose 4 for the click rate and 5 for the minimum rate, and then put the maintain rate up to a high number, and that will stay on 5 against 4 for 370 beats. So that's what Pyramid does. If you would like to get a copy, you can get it at joecrabtree.com/software.